How to find dial pad settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller, and once you're here just click this icon here in top corner and then click settings, and now click call link. Here is it, and scroll down until you find this one. Here is it, and here you can manage it, and that's it. Just manage it and go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.